Hey Foxy friends, today is Easter. Happy Easter to everyone. I'm going to make a quick and easy chocolate cake with no butter, milk, or eggs. This cake is super easy. All you need is a bowl and a whisk to get all your ingredients. It's super easy and it's super yummy. I've already made this 2 times and it was like one day apart because we devoured it. It was so good. It's good without frosting. You don't have to put frosting. And I'm gonna make the cake and I will be frosting it because I have leftover frosting from another cake I did. So to get started, you will need a large bowl, a whisk, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and I used the Hershey's cocoa. This is the one I'm using. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, not powder, baking soda. Where are we here? One teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now this one's clear, that's why you can't see it, and this is the one I'm using. I usually use the brown one, but this is what I have right now, so this is what we're using. A teaspoon, it's hard to see, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and this is the stuff I used, Great Value distilled white vinegar. A 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and the vegetable oil I'm using is the Crisco, super easy. And you need 1 cup of water, and I poured the water in my bumblebee cup. I love bumblebee, so that's all of the ingredients. It's super easy. Like I said, there's no egg, no butter, no milk. And I'm gonna move you over here. You guys can't see my stuff going on, but so we're gonna take our large bowl and we are going to put in our flour, sugar, cocoa, salt, and baking soda. And then you're just going to take your whisk. Let's see if I can. Just going to take your whisk and you're going to mix up those ingredients until they're combined. Okay, so we've got that somewhat combined there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my oil. We're going to dump the oil in. Our 1 cup of water with my lovely bumblebee cup. Our vanilla. And our vinegar. And then again, you can use your whisk, and we're just going to mix it all up until it forms a nice little cake batter. you want to have your oven preheated to 350, and you want an 8x8 pan, but I'm actually using a 9x9 pan. Where did I set it? Mine's just a 9x9, and it's from this Farberware, and I greased it with Pam. So like I said, just mix this until everything's incorporated. I think that's pretty good. Pretty good. Super, see what I said? Super easy, guys. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and pour this into our prepared paste. So if you guys are in a bind and you want to try to do something real quick and simple for a dessert, this is literally super easy. Okay, so like I said, 350 degrees, and we're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to start it out at the 20 mark, and then when you test it with the toothpick, if a little bit of crumbs come out, it's done. It's going to be super amazing, guys. So I'm going to pop this in to our oven for 20 minutes, and I will come back and let you know what it looks like. Okay guys, it came out of the oven. I actually did this for about 23 minutes, and it looks done, and I did the toothpick. It came out somewhat clean. So that's it. That is your super easy cake. No eggs, no milk, no butter. And it's going to be super yummy. Like I said, I'm not frosting it, but you just want to let it cool. And when it's cool, go ahead and cut you up some pieces and go to town and have fun. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little baking tutorial. Happy Easter to all of you, and have a blessed day. Bye guys. Alright, here is our chocolate cake. I said I wasn't going to frost it, but I did. I just had some leftover frosting. It's not the greatest, but it says Happy Easter, and it's got a little bunny rabbit on it. And that's basically all. Like I said, I had leftover frosting, so we did that. Hopefully you guys liked this recipe. If you gave it a try, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the recipe, if it was good for you, because it was certainly yummy for us. And let me know if you guys like these baking videos. I'll keep doing them. If not, we'll try to find something else. But hopefully you guys will love this one, because I super duper do. And it's super delicious. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Happy Easter. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.